How to edit videos on your phone, full beginner guide. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit videos on your phone, step by step, using free apps perfect for beginners. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, download a free app like Capcut or InShot from the App Store or Google Play. Now open the app and tap New Project or Create New. Select the video clips or photos you want to edit and import them into your timeline. Start by trimming your clips. Just tap the video, then drag the edges to cut out the parts you don't need. To add text, hit the Text tool, type your message, and customize the font, size, or animation. Want to add music? Tap on Audio, then choose from built-in tracks or import your own. To make your video smoother, add transitions between clips, like fade in, slide, or zoom effects. You can also use filters or color adjustments to enhance the look of your video. Once you're done, tap Export, choose the resolution 1080p is great, and save it to your phone. And that's how you can easily edit your videos on your phone. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner tips, and leave a comment if you want a part 2. That's all for the video.